Cropping an image in Photoshop is really easy. All you have to do is first, of course, make sure your image is open. And then you actually just go over to the left side of Photoshop and you see this little, I don't really know what to call it, but sort of two arrowheads crossing each other. Just left click on that once and you see all these options have come up. So you can actually move your mouse over to, say, the corner, the upper right corner, and once it turns into arrows going back and forth, you just left click and hold and you can actually drag it down that way. But you can see that no matter, while I'm holding down on my mouse or trackpad, you can see that I can actually choose the size and shape of the actual crop. So let's actually start from the top, and let's say I just want to focus in on these berries. So I'm just going to move my mouse over until it turns to these two arrows up and down, left click and hold, and then move my mouse while I'm holding down. And let's stop it about there. And now let's do the bottom a little bit. Same thing. And the left side, so again, I'm waiting for this one arrow to become two arrows. I'm going to left click and hold, and then move it over. And then I'm going to do the right side. Again, I'm waiting for the one arrow to become two. Left click and hold. And let's say that's good enough. Once you've got the crop the way that you wanted, just press enter or return on your keypad, and you've got it. And now you can save this as a brand new image. Please feel free to like the video if you liked it. Liking the videos will help me make more.